conversation was that at the end of the session, we would have some guidelines really as to how to perform these appraisals so that we actually do catch the essence of the whole exercise.
I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I have attended very similar courses where the subject matter has been discussed. So each time you go, you learn something new. So I think my expectation was to see, well, what are the latest trends on the subject matter.
Today's session honestly has created interesting perspective, or I'll say has even changed perspective on how as leaders we approach our responsibilities.
Instead of the generic appraisals that we're used to, that we're able to capture the key elements.
I have gained an in-depth knowledge on performance management today.
Going through the session, we have seen how crucial it is in terms of the process that we appraise and assess our staff.
For me, the training did achieve that target, and even was very insightful. It came up with a lot more insights.
I'll say very usefully interactive, if there's anything like that, but the discussions were quite useful, also very interactive.
I've learned to understand how people see things from different perspectives from the group discussions that we had.
One thing happy to hear again today is a PIP, which for me gives us the opportunity to try to bring our subordinates to the level that we all want.
Very open discussion. One word for me is how to communicate, what you intend to communicate. It's not about what you want to say, but how you say it. The methodology of being interactive and involving everyone and soliciting views has been the best way that one could have gone through the whole exercise.
I really thought that it was an incredibly good opportunity for discussion.
I think it was an awesome one.
Very engaging.
Inclusive.
Wonderful.
Very effective.
I really liked it.